Welcome back to our 100 Exotic Paper Airplane Challenge. Today we're going to work on Paper Plane 13, which is The Sky Cruiser by Michael LaFosse. Tutorial by Wilson Lee. Here at Heap Art, we're trying to encourage people to communicate more using origami. If you like origami and you like paper airplanes, please remember to subscribe and click the bell for notifications. I'll be delivering something new every single week. At the moment, I'm posting 3 times a week. Every Tuesdays, I'm going to post a new paper airplane that's part of my 100 Exotic Paper Airplane Challenge. My 100 Exotic Paper Airplane Challenge is where I try to find 100 different types of paper airplanes and show you how to fold them. Every Friday, I'm going to show you how to fold a new origami model that's never seen before on my channel. Every Sundays, I'm going to be posting a bonus video. It's either going to be a vlog or another origami model that's never seen before on my channel. Ideally, a little bit more complicated. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Now, enough for my sales pitch, let's get back to the tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to fold The Sky Cruiser by Michael LaFosse. minutes, please check out the 2 videos that's gonna pop up on the screen. I'm pretty sure you're gonna like them. They're chosen by YouTube. If you like the video, please remember to subscribe and click the bell for notifications. I'll be delivering more videos like this every single week, and it really helps the channel out. And once again, thank you for watching, and see you next time.